Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Young Home Improvement.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Guys, ang order ko rito is from China pa to. Basta ganitong parcel guys, China to.
Hindi, wow.
So ang order ko is yung Mercury switch. So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, si seller is legit. Mercury switch. Ito yun guys. Thank you for watching.